If you're curious whether Blend AI is worth your time or just another overhyped tool, this video is going to save you hours of trial and error. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and in this Blend AI review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. You can try Blend AI for completely free using the first link in the description. Alright, let's get into it. First, what actually makes Blend AI different? This isn't just another chatbot or content spinner. Blend AI was designed for creators and marketers to instantly generate scroll-stopping, branded content for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, you name it. It takes your existing content, blends it with AI-driven design and captions, and spits out videos that look like a full-time team made them. If you're a solo creator or a digital agency, that's a game changer. One of the most impressive parts? It uses AI to understand your brand style. You upload a few examples and Blend AI learns your font, tone, color schemes, even video pacing. It's not just throwing out generic templates, it's cloning your style with scary accuracy. That's why marketers like me are paying attention. It also has deep integration with trending formats. Want to turn a podcast clip into a TikTok with subtitles, B-roll, animations, and a headline. All done in one click? That's what Blend AI nails. I've tested dozens of tools promising this, but Blend AI is the most plug-and-play I've seen yet. Number 4, repurposing. If you're sitting on a pile of YouTube videos, Zoom calls, or training content, Blend AI can slice them into platform-optimized clips with minimal input. That's a massive win for agencies and coaches trying to stay visible across multiple platforms without burning out. 5th, automation. You can queue up weeks of social content in a batch session. Just upload your footage, pick your formats, and Blend handles the edits, captions, and exports. No need to manually tweak each video. 6th, the UI is stupidly simple. If you've used CapCut or Canva, this is easier and faster. Everything's drag and drop, and the AI gives real-time suggestions for hooks and titles based on what's trending in your niche. That alone can boost your content's visibility big time. And finally, Blend AI is just getting started. The team behind it is shipping updates at lightning speed. Auto-posting, team collaboration, brand kits, they're rolling all that out in the next few weeks. If you want to get in before the price jumps, now's the time. So if you're serious about creating high-converting content at scale, Blend AI is absolutely worth trying. Again, the link below gives you full access for free, no credit card required. And if you stick around, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description below too. I've tested thousands of AI softwares. Yes, thousands. And these are the few I actually use in my business. Check those out after you try Blend. Let me know in the comments what you're using Blend for, and I'll see you in the next one.